Hi, good morning again, or good afternoon, whatever time it is where you are. Well, I hope that by now you've looked at my cancer-fighting salad. Well, we need something to put on it that's going to make our salad even more powerful with powerful antioxidants. So today I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric dressing. Now this dressing is delicious and is full of antioxidants and will really spice up your salad. So what you need for this is the ingredients that I will put in the link. And I also have another video that I'm going to put in the link, which gives you the recipe step by step. So first I'm going to start by grating my turmeric. So I've got about a 2-inch size of turmeric, and I'm going to grate it. Now fresh turmeric is really important. You have to use fresh turmeric. You cannot use dried turmeric, and you cannot use anything that's been dehydrated. So I've got my fresh turmeric. It smells amazing. I'm using the orange turmeric. You can also use white turmeric, which unfortunately is really hard to find. But if you can find it, it's definitely worth using. Then I have about a 1-inch portion of ginger, which I'm just going to chop up a little bit, because I'm going to be putting this in my Vitamix, which is very powerful. So I'm starting with, I'm going to add in the turmeric, I'm going to add in ginger, and it calls for 2 cloves of garlic. Well, I love garlic, so I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic, because no matter what recipe I'm using, if it calls for garlic, I always double it. So I've got my Vitamix here. I'm going to dump in these ingredients. I'm then going to add a squeeze of lemon. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. You could use honey as well. The maple syrup gives it a nice sort of wild taste, foresty taste. And then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, I use organic shoyu soy sauce. You can use coconut aminos. You can use Bragg's if you want, but I'm going to use this. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. It calls for either a 1/2 cup of avocado, olive, or sesame oil. I'm going to use olive oil. And no matter what oil you use, it asks for an additional tablespoon of sesame oil. And I use the Whole Foods brand. Of course, everything I'm using is organic. And then it calls for 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Take a pause and take this over to my Vitamix and blend it. And here we are, ready to blend. And here we have it. It's a beautiful golden color. Let's put it in a bowl and give it amazing. Give it a try. And I'll leave the link to my salad, cancer-fighting salad as well. And I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and see you soon.